Alrighty guys, YOLMan PRETZEL here, and right now I am making a video of like the real stuff I do. That'll be posted either later tonight or tomorrow. But right now I want to teach you guys a very simple way to create slime. Let's get started. So there are two ingredients. There is cornstarch and there is Dawn dish soap. Now, I don't know why this is so big. We normally have the small ones. And you need a bowl and a spoon. There's a lot of mixing involved. So yeah, you're going to start off with three spoon scoops of cornstarch like this. 1, 2, 3. I really love the texture of cornstarch. And now that you see I've got the cornstarch in there, I am going to put some Dawn dish soap. This is dish soap. I'm gonna put this in there. Now I'm going to look and make sure that we have everything covered. All right, now I'm going to stir it all up. Oh, that went everywhere. We didn't get on the camera. First, I'm gonna have to stir a lot. Hopefully, we do not have to add more. I mean, it's fine if we do, but I think we have to add more, so I'm gonna add more. Alright guys, we have gotten somewhere. We just have to keep stirring. Really tough. You just have to roll it out. And look at that. Look at what you formed. An amazing fluffy slime. Look at that. So let's add some more. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up this video. This is really fluffy slime. With only 2 ingredients, you can make this is probably one of the fluffiest slimes you can make. Like, most slimes aren't fluffy like this. This is incredible with just cornstarch and Dawn dish syrup. Dawn dish detergent. No, Dawn dish soap. Okay. So, again, that pretty much wraps it up. Please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, comment and smash that keyboard. And also just subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a competition with my sister. I'll put a link in my description, not hers, my description of her channel. And we are going to have who can make the most subscribers, maybe in like a month or something. I'll tell you guys later. But anyways, YOLMan Pretzel out.